In this brief video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find, download, and install Visual Studio 2010 Express for Windows Phone. And frankly, if you've already done this, you can skip this video and move on to the next one. You can download the development tool from create.msdn.com. You can't miss the big icon on the upper left-hand corner to download the free tools. Simply scroll down, click the Install Now button. It'll want to download a file called vm_web.exe. I'm going to save it. I'm running Windows 7, so I'm going to save it into my Downloads folder. And then I'm going to run the application once it downloads. First off, you'll see the license agreement. Go ahead and read it and accept it. You can either click the Install Now button, or you can click Customize, which simply lets you choose the location on your hard drive where it'll be installed. I'll go ahead and use the default installation location. Okay, so after about 10 minutes or so, maybe longer, depending on your internet connection, Visual Studio 2010 Express for the Windows Phone will be installed and you can launch it immediately. Now, in addition to Visual Studio 2010 Express for Windows Phone, there are some other tools that are installed. For example, you can see there is a Windows Phone 7 emulator. We'll look at that in the next video. Also, if you scroll down, there is this Microsoft XNA Game Studio 4.0, which is geared to action games, even 3D games. We're not going to be covering that in this series, but the tools are installed to learn that programming model. We're going to be writing Silverlight applications, a more general purpose application programming interface. You can still write games, but you can also create many other types of applications as well. Silverlight is a good place to start. There's also an application that's called Expression Blend. And this is typically used by graphic designers and user interaction designers to build Silverlight applications, or at least to help build the aesthetic part of a Silverlight application. So this is an important topic. Unfortunately, it's going to have to wait for another day. We're going to be focused on using the tools that are suited for software developers that can help us build more feature-rich Silverlight applications for the phone. So we're going to start right here in Visual Studio 2010 Express for Windows Phone in the next video. Thank you.